Sleepy Craftsman here. Are you tired of having sawdust and paint overspray laying over everything in your shop? But you're cheap as me? Let me show you how to turn a cheap Wal-Mart fan into a DIY dust filtration system. Let's get to it. Here's our fan. Let's see here. I'm going to start by seeing if I can pop this off, so it'll just be easier to work with. Yeah, most of these are just kept in by friction. There happens to be a screw inside, but I'd have to take this apart. Okay, I'm going to take this off. I'm going to leave this for now because I plan on hanging this from the ceiling. So I'd like to keep this all together, and I don't want to take the risk of me butchering it and breaking it, which I'd like to do. Okay, so there's our fan. Nothing more. Let's put this to the side. Lumber. If you haven't checked it out, check out this video in the cards. Let's see what we can do about cutting this into the proper segments. Okay, I lied. We need the fan again. So it's an 18-inch fan. So we need 18 inches. We need an 18-inch interior diameter square to go around this. Should be pretty straightforward. Though I did fail and I bought a filter that's too big. Oh well. This was only $5. Let's get to measuring and some cutting. My trusty speed square. Now I'm just going to take my cut board . I'm making this just a sliver longer so I can clean up this. My miter saw . We'll clean these all up when we're done. I think I see what's happening. It's a little bowed, but we can live with it. This isn't high quality furniture. I screwed up. Two were supposed to be 18. The other two should have been 19 and a half. Because we're making a box. I'm just going to use this as a temporary. I really want this to be nice, and I'm not going to edit this screw up out. So I kind of want to show people that, hey, people make mistakes. Nowadays it's an expensive mistake, but whatever. Right. Okay, I'll just use this as a temporary support on the other side. Okay. How should we connect this? I'm thinking pocket holes from the inside. Okay, let's put some pocket holes in this. One that preferably doesn't have any knots right at the end. Okay. That's the one we're going to use. Okay, get my trusty Kreg jig. I think this is 320 if I remember correctly. The only thing with this current setup is I don't have a good clamping service. So I'm just using the 3/4 inch setting. I don't remember off the top of my head exactly what I'm supposed to use because I usually do these on like 2x4s and stuff like that. That looks good to me. Now I know I could put them like that, but this is a guy turning a 18-inch floor stand from Wal-Mart into a DIY hacked shop filter. If it's not strong enough, I'll add some more. And I am going to glue this. I don't usually use a lot of glue because I like to recycle things and repurpose things when I upgrade to something else, yada yada yada. I'm cheap. What can I say? Okay, let's see if we got another one that doesn't have a ton of knots. Yeah, I'll do. That's probably my bet. No. I'm putting them like this. And it does help me with that one temporary 9.5 inch piece. 19.5 inch piece. Excuse me. Okay, once again, I'm going to vacuum. Get our trusty Kreg Robertson's bit. And where are my Kreg screws? Let's see if I screw this up, because I usually do. Now, the thing with Kreg screws, or should I say pocket holes in general, is you really need to be able to clamp the surface down. Again, my clamping surface sucks. I need to put some dog holes in here, but I need to figure out how those work first. Pre-starting them goes a long way. Now, like this is too far. You kind of just want them poking out, because you don't want to get, because if they're too far out, it's going to grab the wood at the wrong point, and you're just not going to have a good time. Oops. Inch screws, which I don't have a lot of. Now, you see, I said I was going to use glue, and I will, but I'm always dry fit your stuff with, especially working with pocket holes. That's pretty strong. I'm not going to flex it, but I don't think I have 8. Nope, definitely don't. I have 6. Not too bad. Of course, I have 7. Away the cook. Okay. I get to now refilm the last 2 minutes because my phone ran out of space. Forgot how much HD really takes up. Okay. Obviously, having some problems with this. Kind of pulling a bit, but it's whatever. Let's just see if this is square. I doubt it is. 25 and a half, give or take. 25 and a half. Okay, that never happens to me. It's actually somewhat square. Not perfect because this is off, but that never happens to me. Something's got to go off. Let's see if the fan actually fits. Want to bet that this doesn't. What the? This does not happen to me. Things don't happen. Go right. I'm speechless. Okay, well, you know what? I'm going to let my phone cool down, and I'm going to see what I can do about making a replacement board from the bottom. You guys don't need to see that, but I think I'm going to kill this video here and call this part 1 of building a DIY workshop filter, fan, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Till later.